Hey, this is David Miller with the Miller Realty Group of Keller Williams Realty with the new updated real estate stats for Orlando, Florida. First of all, my wife and I, Anne-Marie, would like to wish you and your family a happy Thanksgiving next week to wherever you are traveling to. Hope it's safe. Hope you enjoy time with your family. I particularly love this time of year. It's a good opportunity to give thanks to a lot of things, to God, to people that have allowed you to be successful, your family, your clients, your friends, everybody. So definitely take advantage of that opportunity. All right. So let's jump right into the stats. Orlando Regional Realtor Association pushed out the stats earlier this week, and I wanted to sort of interpret them for you. First of all, pricing, the median price continues to go up. It's up 14% compared to last year. It's at a $205,000, which is the 63rd consecutive month that it has gone up. And compared to July of 2011, it's up 77%. So, wow, that's fantastic news. So remember, that is the median price. A lot of factors go into that. How many lower priced homes compared to higher priced homes. So don't read too much into that. The good news is that the market is still appreciating, and by what degree depends on where you live, location, what's going on in the market, as well as inventory. So there are two things that did go down. Number one, the inventory went down, and number two, the sales went down. Oh my goodness, the sales went down. What are we going to do? No worries. There were a couple factors that caused both of those. The first one was Hurricane Matthew. Remember that? That came through at the beginning of October, and that really pushed a lot of the sales back probably a week, because when that goes through, re-inspections have to take place. And so a lot of the closings were pushed back, as well as people that wanted to list their house, especially if they had some damage. So thank God the hurricane zigged rather than zagged, because it could have been a lot worse. The other thing is that the elections, a lot of people, a lot of talk on Facebook and everywhere else you look on the elections. I think that consumed a lot of energy. Thank God that's over. What is the news going to talk about now? But I think a lot of people are waiting to see what was going to happen with that. And now that that's settled, I think that people are going to be able to have a little more certainty what's going on in the future. The other thing is the inventory. The inventory homes are relatively low, especially in the lower price ranges. Remember 2 months ago I provided you that graph to show you that houses below $300,000, there's not a lot of properties out there to choose from. And as you get higher up, surprisingly, over $1 million homes, there's 24 months, so it's a very large buyer's market. So it is sort of unique out there. The makeup of sales continues to change. It's really, distressed sales are down dramatically. The REOs, which are the bank-owned properties, are down 57%, and the short sales are down 32%. So that has to do with the makeup of the inventory. Since there's less of those homes out there, there's going to be less sales of those types of property. Now, the demand is still very high, and the main reason is the interest rates. So the average interest rate last month was 3.57%. Can you believe that? Now, since the election, I'll tell you that it has come up quite a bit, and we are expecting the Federal Reserve to raise the rate in December. That's my professional opinion. So if you are thinking about buying a house, this is the time to do it. And I'll tell you that this is a good time to do it because the interest rates are still relatively low, and you want to be able to lock into a rate that will allow you to get more house than you would if the rates were to go up. So that is my update. If you guys have any questions, feel free to give us a call. One last thing I'll notate is we've been doing a lot of video blogs and really sharing our expertise with everybody out there. So go to this website, check it out. We add one a week. And if there's a particular subject you want answered, just email that in to us, and we'll be glad to do a video blog, because if you're asking that question, I guarantee that hundreds of other people are doing the same thing. So once again, hope you guys are doing well. Have a great Thanksgiving, and we'll be in touch next month. Thank you.